All right, welcome back to him and I Woodworking. I know we do a lot of different things on this channel, but here we go again on the motorcycle. I got a DT100, and yes, this is the same style that we had before, so we know a lot about it, and hopefully can get this one cleaned up and sold. So what I'm going to do first off is take the tank in and see if we can clean it up and shine it up a little bit and get some of that rust off there. We're going to keep the patina look to it. All right, here I am using some soapy water and some, what is it, quadruple zero steel wool. And I'm just trying to get as much rust as I can, any of the gunk that's been on there for years with the steel wool. All right, I rinsed it off, and now I'm just working the areas that are still got that little bit of rust on them. And just going at it, and I'll get tired of that here, and I'll get the power tools out. All right, so I kind of took the grinding wheel to the top of that and got right there pretty good. And I'm liking the way thing. I'm gonna get some degreaser and see if I can do that and spray some of that junk off of there. And just kind of keep going with the same thing. I'm gonna cut this piece off here and go ahead and here I am cutting all the extra little pieces off, like the seat latches and stuff like that. So I'm putting the tank on here and also getting the seat to kind of see where it's gonna line up. And you see how that bar is just sticking way too far out, so we're gonna go ahead and cut that off. All right, so I took this to my boss and he welded it for me. And then I just took the sanding pad on the grinder there and just kind of shaped it up, and it just really turned out nice. So in the beginning, I wanted to go with some really crazy colors, and I changed my mind a lot. That's why I didn't show the painting of the frame, because I painted it blue at one point. And then you can see here I wanted to go with a Seahawk green, and it just didn't fit the bike, so I had to switch back to black. But this is a good way to show the process, so I kept it in here. After some hard work, I got the painted up chrome, black chrome here. I think they look really good, and we'll see how it holds up. I'll do another video just to see, you know, after we ride it a while. Right now, I just want to let it cure a little bit more. It's still pretty, it's not dry or wet, but it's not, I don't think, cured all the way. So we'll let that go for a little while. But thanks for watching.